Mini cabbage or Brussels sprouts is a popular vegetable. It is rich in nutrients. Small cabbages are sold at high prices in the market. Mini cabbage farming can be a unique and profitable business venture if properly planned and maintained with proper training. Dear visitors, today we will know how to grow small cabbage and make a profit within a short period. In today's episode, we will explain all the rules and regulations of small cabbage cultivation. First, sufficient fertile land is required for small cabbage cultivation. Fertile, well-drained loam soils are best for growing cabbage. Soil pH should be between 6.0 to 6.8. Cold and temperate climates are suitable for cabbage cultivation. An average temperature of 15 to 20 degrees Celsius is preferred. Small cabbage seeds can be sown directly in the field or in the nursery. October to January is best for sowing seeds. The land should be plowed well and the soil should be loosened. Soil fertility should be increased by adding 10 to 15 kilograms of organic manure per biga of land. Fertilizers rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash should be applied before planting. The soil should be cultivated well and the seeds should be sown at a depth of 2 to 3 centimeters. Nitrogen fertilizer should be applied again after 25 to 30 days of planting. Seedlings can be planted in the ground when they grow 4 to 6 leaves. Cabbage requires regular irrigation after planting in the field. However, care should be taken to ensure that there is no waterlogging on the land. Cabbage is commonly susceptible to blight, insects, and leaf blight. Pesticides should be applied at the right time to prevent pests. Biological methods can control the disease, such as the use of neem oil. Cabbage is ready to harvest 90 to 120 days after planting. Cabbage heads should be harvested when they are firm and fully formed. If the crop is left in the field for too long, the cabbage head may burst, which reduces the quality. Harvesting is best done in winter mornings. It keeps the crop fresh. For small cabbages, the heads can be removed by gently twisting them off by hand. Use a sharp knife or scissors to separate the heads from the cabbage plants. Separate good quality cabbage after harvest. Remove insect-eaten or damaged cabbage. Wash the crops with mild water and clean the soil and dust.